Hello my YouTube family, you're here with Skipper Drones, and today I'm bringing you the 5.5 Nidici Queen frame. So this is the frame for the Nidici Queen 5.5 build. I apologize because I don't have the right camera situations to show you, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it step by step, and I'm going to show you the process after it's done. So maybe that can help you out a little bit. Alright, first off, I'm going to start off with tinning everything up, getting the boards prepared for the wires. This is the 4-in-1 engine, 40 amp dial RC flight controller here. So what we're gonna do, these are the motor wires here. So we're gonna tin up the board and get it prepared for the motor wires. So let's get started and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, we're done preparing the flight controller. We done tinned up everything. We made sure everything wasn't touching a bridge. So we got everything ready for the motor wires. Now we're gonna do the flight controller. This is a Dow RC flight controller here, and this is gonna be a nice flight controller because it's just actually it's gonna be a quick build. You see the pins under the bottom here? Let's see if you can see it. It has pins that is just plugged straight into here. So that's going to eliminate a good bit of soldering. And this is the Dow RC F405 flight controller here. And once we tin all this up, everything, because this is where the VTX, the camera, and the receiver is going to be soldered to. So once we tin that up, we'll go on a little bit further. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, we've tinned and we hooked everything up to the flight controller, and this is all it is. This is going to be a clean build. Okay, we have a ground here for the camera. We have a 9-volt for the camera, and we have cam here, which I hooked the yellow. Smart audio is going to C cam, F cam. My bad, I'm sorry y'all. F cam. So the green is going to F cam. Alright, we have the receiver here. We have a ground, we have a 5-volt, and we have RC on the board. So that's for S bus. I got an XM Plus receiver. Alright, and the VTX, we have a ground. We got a 9-volt here for the VTX. Hook the yellow up to VTX, and then the green is going to TX for the VTX. So for smart audio, I'm sorry, smart audio. Wait a minute, let's take this back. Alright, the green here is for F cam, is for to control the OSD on your camera. Okay, the green here is going to TX, that's for smart audio. So this is all it is. So now all I have to do now is put the wires together, the motor wires on here, and install everything. This is going to be a nice, quick, easy build. Very quick. Alright, so we're about to set the motors in place here. Get those attached. And I have the Brother Hobby motors. They are 2207 2400 kVs. So we finna get those attached and we'll be back. All right. Alright, you guys, we got the motors all in, and I also put the stack together, both the ESC and the flight controller is soft mounted. I had a Woof Whoop VTX here, 40 channel, 5 GBs. We also put the Foxeer Predator micro camera on it, which is nice. So this is motor. Yeah, this is, I mean, the motors was nothing to put on. It was easy. You got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 on all in one ESC. We got motor 1, 2, 3, and 4. Put the battery strap on. So now we have the antenna here. So everything came together pretty nice, and as you can see, it's going to be a very clean build. Also, we have the ESC. I'm sorry about that. The receiver here. This is an XM Plus receiver, so I'm probably going to have to mount it. I'm thinking like with some sticky tape here. And let the antennas come out the back, so it will be like so. I'm gonna get some tubes for the antennas. It's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice. I have did everything, hooked everything up in beta flight already. We also have the motor pads here, which I'm going to put on it. And I also ordered some 5.5.3 Lumineer propeller set. These are butter cutters. So that's it, you guys. Sorry I couldn't show you step by step, but like I said, I had to get another camera that focus in. With this camera here, I wouldn't be able to focus in, so you wouldn't be able to see much anyway, but I tried to break it down step by step for you guys. I put zip ties on the end. I also got a zip tie here coming off to catch in case the battery snatch, it'll stop it right here instead of snatching the wire from my ESC. So you guys, I will be back. I'm gonna put it all together, and I will be back. Alright, I forgot, before I put everything together, I won't be able to use these right now, these motor landing pads, because the screws are not long enough, and the screws are preventing it from going on. Actually, I didn't see that, but now do the screws go through here? But the screws I got now, if I was to put these on, it wouldn't, the screws wouldn't be long enough, so I'm not going to be able to use that. And I have bound already to the Qian-H QX7.
Welcome to OpenTX.
This is what I'm flying around here, the Qian-H QX7. I just wanted you guys to hear how she sounds. She's ready to go. Look at there. Look at there. He's ready. All the motors. I had to go into BL Holly 2 and change 2 motor directions because the motors, all the motors was rotating the same, so I had to go inside the BL Holly and set the motors up. But she sounds like she's ready. Oh yeah, she's ready, guys. She's ready. She's ready to go. I want to show you I mean, look, you can see here. I don't know if you can hear the motor full throttle. Camera's not breaking up. That's gonna be nice. It's gonna be nice, you guys. Yes, it is. It's gonna be awesome. Alright, so we're going to continue to put it together, and we're going to go outside and do a flight maybe tomorrow because it's raining today. So we're going to put everything together and I'll be back. Okay, you guys, here she goes. The Nidici 5.5 Qian. Here she goes with the Brother Hobby motors. These are 2207s, 2400 kV Brother Hobby motors with the Foxeer Predator micro camera, the Woof Whoop VTX with the Dial RC combo stack, the F405. This is gonna be nice. So you guys, I'll be back with a flight video of her. But yes, this is my second build here, so yeah, I think it's about time. Actually, I got another frame already here that I was sent, a new 5-inch frame. So you guys, I'll be back with another video after this one, and hopefully we get a camera soon. That way we can just start doing the build videos step by step. That way I can zoom in. But yeah, this is here she is, and this is a beauty. Tell you. Okay, you guys, I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button, that helps me out a lot. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe to my channel. And thanks a lot. Skipper Drones, and I'm out.